Hey guys, I'm here in Orlando in Fancy Fruit, and I just want to show you guys the ginger that I pick out to grow. So I'm looking for ginger that's starting to sprout a little bit like this. I'm also looking for pieces that are a little bit thinner so I can break up. I don't want to get too many really large pieces because I want to be able to get multiple buds out of each one. So let's see, so a piece like this, a piece like this. We've got this piece kind of growing, so I'll probably use this. And each of these pieces are going to break up into several little chunks. Okay, and I'll show you guys how we plant that. So, got my raised bed here. I'm going to show you guys how I plant my ginger. So I basically want to break my ginger up into pieces. And all I want to do is make sure that I have a reasonably sized piece. That wouldn't break any further than that. But I want each piece to have a bit of a node on it there. You know, you're going to see the little sort of outgrowths of it. It doesn't have to be fancy. You don't have to be cute with it. All we're doing is just sticking that in the ground. And we just want to fill this bed with ginger. And probably, usually around May is when ginger starts to come up. But it's super simple. Like a piece like this, I'm going to break that into two pieces right there. I'm going to break this here, break that there, and break that again. Break it there, there, there. Just one piece of ginger is going to provide probably 8 or 9 ginger plants. All right, and all we're going to do is bury it in the ground, and in May, it's going to pop up. At the end of the year, the leaves are going to start to die back, and that's when we know it's time to harvest our ginger. All right, stay tuned, guys. Got a really big piece right here. Oh, that is nice ginger right there. Oh my God, it smells so good.